Welcome to qnawire.
If E1 is 10 and E2 is also 10, then we would have the following matrix equation. We'd have the coefficient matrix of 2, 0, 4, 0, 1, 4, and 1, 1, negative 1. With the variable matrix, I1, 2, and 3 equals the constants 10, 10, 0. We'll call this matrix A, X, and B. We can solve for the variable simultaneously since this would be equal to A inverse B. So let's go to a calculator here. I'm using the Decimalist matrix calculator. For matrix A, it's the coefficient matrix. Matrix B is the constant matrix, 10, 10, 0. And we want A inverse B. Should be 2, 0, 4, 0, 1, 4, 1, 1, negative 1. There we go. Okay, so we get point. I'll go to the nearest 3 decimals. As I know. Nope, I'll do them exact as a fraction. It would be 5/7, 10/7, 15/7. Those would be the unknown currents for the voltages.